Chapter 2. Natural Resources. Introduction. Natural resources are the gift of nature. Examples of natural resources include soil, water and sunlight. Some natural resources will exhaust if not used wisely. They are called exhaustible resources. They will not available in future. The other hand, natural resources like air and sunlight will never finish. So, they are called inexhaustible resources. In this chapter you will study about the different kinds of resources. Natural resources. Natural resources are the resources that drawn from nature and used with few modifications. This includes the sources of valued characteristics such as commercial and industrial use, aesthetic value, scientific interest, and cultural value. On the earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, land, all minerals along with all vegetation and wildlife. Air. It is a very important natural resource as all living things need air to breathe. Moving air is called wind. Wind has force and energy. This energy of wind can be trapped and put to many uses. Many years ago, wind power was used to move windmills, sailboats, and hot air balloons. These days we trap wind energy in big windmills to produce electricity. Water. No life can exist without water. Water is used for different purposes like drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, and growing crops. So you need to store water by building canals, dams, reservoirs, and tanks. Conservation of water. Since water is very essential part of the life of all living beings, you should save the water. You should not pollute the water by bathing, washing clothes, throwing garbage, and industrial wastes into lakes, rivers and seas. Soil. It is an important resource that supports life on the earth. All living things depend on soil for food. Plants are rooted in the soil. Also, microorganisms like bacteria and fungi live in the soil. It is very important to protect the top layer of the soil as it is rich in humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. If this layer is not protected, it is blown away by strong winds or rain. This is called soil erosion and it makes the soil unfit for cultivation. Sunlight. It is the most important natural resource. It gives heat and light. Also, plants make food only in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight has energy called solar energy. This energy is changed into chemical energy, which is stored in different parts of plants as food. Solar energy can be converted into electrical energy with the help of photoelectric cells and stored in batteries. These batteries are used to run many of our electrical devices. Solar energy can also be used to cook food in solar cookers. Non-renewable natural resources. Some resources like forest, wildlife, coal, petroleum and minerals are very limited and could be exhausted soon because of overuse. These resources cannot be reproduced easily. So these are called non-renewable resources. Forests. A large area covered with big and small trees, shrubs, creepers and bushes growing naturally and close to one another is called a forest. Forests are useful in many ways. 1. Forests check air pollution as they absorb carbon dioxide and give oxygen. 2. Forests check soil erosion and control floods. 3. Forests provide shelter to wildlife. 4. Forests provide different kinds of raw materials for industries. 5. Forests provide humus to the soil. Wildlife. Wildlife is also one of the most valuable resources of a country. Wildlife includes all types of wild animals such as lions, tigers, rhinoceros, leopards, elephants, bears, deer, zebras, giraffes, etc. Various types of birds and reptiles are also parts of wildlife. Various steps have been taken by the Indian Government of India to conserve the wildlife. 1. Various national parks, biosphere reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries are set up in different parts of the country to protect the wild animals. 2. Hunting of wild animals is banned. 3. Periodical census of some wild animals is taken to know their latest numbers. Some of the important wildlife sanctuaries and national parks set up in India are Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Gir Forest Reserve in Gujarat, Sundarban Forests in West Bengal and Periyar Bio Reserve in Kerala, etc. Mineral resources. Many resources that are buried deep beneath the Earth's surface are called minerals. The place or area where a particular mineral is found called the mine of that mineral. For example, a coal mine, a gold mine, etc. The minerals have to be brought out on the Earth's surface so that they can be used in different ways. This is done by the process of mining. People who go inside the mines for minerals extraction are called miners. Minerals from which metals can be obtained are called ores. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the non-metallic minerals. They are also called fossil fuels. Thousands of years ago, due to earthquakes and erupting volcanoes, many animals and plants got buried below in the surface of the earth. Later their dead remains became hard like rocks. They are called fossils. After thousands of years, these fossils changed into fuels. Hence, these fuels are called fossil fuels. Coal is a valuable fuel in homes, factories, mills and powerhouses. Jharia, Bokaro, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu are the major areas of coal mines. Petroleum is also called mineral oil. It is found deep under the ground or the sea. It is a big source of energy. It is very useful and also called liquid gold. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, spirit, thinner and many other things are obtained from the mineral oil. An area where oil is found called the oil field. Petroleum deposits are found in Digboi and Sibsagar in Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai High in Maharashtra. In India, big oil refineries are located in Digboi, Kochi, Mathura, Haldia, Barauni, Mumbai and Chennai. Natural gas is also found in some oils and is preferred over other fuels because it is non-polluting, cheap, and easily available in abundance. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and CNG, compressed natural gas, are its forms.